Good morning, students. I am Shaila Goel, your psychology teacher. We are here to understand sources of the stress. My dear students, nobody can escape stress in today's competitive world. We may perceive the stress differently, but stress is the part of our physical, emotional, and behavioral environment. See, there are lots of events and conditions that generate stress. Most important of them are the life events, hassles, and the traumatic events. Life events, changes, whether they are big or small, sudden or gradual, affect our life from the moment we are born. We learn to cope up with the small things. It does not disturb our routine, it does not causes any trouble. So we ignore them and we continue with our life processes. But sometimes there are many life events like moving away from your house or change of the school, or there can be a sudden breakup in the long term relationship, or neighborhood problems, or any other problem that can be life event. Like neighborhood problem is not a bickering and over a small thing, it is like capturing of the land. Okay, so these things can be sudden or it can be gradual. You may have planned to move, but after moving you may not feel comfortable. Because of the planning you may feel that I am comfortable with the change, but actually internally you may not be. So these all the things affect us and causes stress for us, right? Now we are coming to hassles. Hassles are daily things. They are irritating, they are inconvenient for us. These are daily hassles from which we have to cope up, like noisy surroundings, crowding, electricity and water shortage, traffic jams, quarrelsome neighbors, etc., etc., etc. Now, students, for some people, their job is such that they are facing daily hassles every day. For example, a person working in the hospitals, there will be some hassles, daily hassles, different type of hassles daily. These have devastating consequences for the individual who is often the one coping alone. Okay, and others may not be aware of it, right? If a mother of a child is suffering at home, the child is not having adjustment and being very problematic at home, and there are different other hassles at home. The mother may look fine from outside for the outsider. They may think that this is their family issue and this is normal for the homes. But not everything is normal. For the outsider, it may not look like a hassle, but in actuality, it is a hassle and it may cause psychological distress. It may affect the well-being of the person. So, for the outsider, it may be nothing, but for the insider, it can be traumatic event. It can be a daily hassle which is causing the stress. Now, students, we have to understand that traumatic events are life changing events. These extreme situations, like being a victim of a crime, robbery, plane hijack, it can be natural calamity like earthquake, tsunami, etc. These all things are the extreme events. It can also be fire, train accident, road accident, anything. This can cause PTSD. What is PTSD? PTSD is post traumatic stress disorder. This may occur after some lapse of time and sometimes persist as symptoms of anxiety, flashbacks, dreams, and intrusive thoughts. This is a severe trauma which can strain the relationship. Your family life can be affected. You will need a professional help to cope up with it. And even if you will need months and months of time to get over this PTSD. So the effect of these events may not be understood at the time, but we need to understand that they are very harassing and they can affect us. For coping strategies, we may need exercises, we may need help of our friends, we may need yoga, meditation, counseling, as well as lifestyle changes, right? So students, I hope you have understood and you will be able to understand more about the sources of the stress and how it affects the different people. Thank you, students.